Ayun, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is our first ever voiceover. In this video, you will learn how to make this glitch intro. Okay, open your Kinemaster. Then add the template given description below. Download it. Okay, then add your logo like this. Adjust it. Then go to adjustment and adjust brightness to 45. Add animation to your logo. In animation, scale up, select scale up, then 0.05. In 5.0, add effect BHS scramble, select. Okay, download it from your Kinemaster store. Adjust settings, color effect, offset 0, then noise 5. In 6.0, add cut this effect. Then add this another effect, scan wave. Okay, adjust it like this and adjust the settings. Enable scanline 0. Okay, noise 0. Scale scanline 50, set to 50, and then yung wave speed nya is 50. In 7.0, cut it this effect like this. Okay, and last, cut your logo 8.0. Cut your logo like this, and you're done. Congratulations, you. And this look like this. Okay, and then save and share. Save this. Comment down here below if you enjoy this voiceover video. Thank you.